Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I will show you how you can open your first dropshipping store with only $44. I know that I have told you in one of my last videos that you need at least $500 and I still recommend that. But hey, you don't have to. Instead, you will have to do some few things before even starting creating your website. So, before we start, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to this channel if you want to check out my next videos. And also turn on the notifications. As you may know, Shopify offers a free trial of 14 days. And you can get that through the link that I posted down below in the comments. So, until now the costs are zero. But you will want to have your own domain and you can get that directly from Shopify for $14. Of course, there are other places where you can buy your domain name and you will save like $7 or $10. But this is only if you are good at implementing it to your Shopify store. Before we start and see what exactly you have to do, I recommend you watch my last video about some mistakes that people usually make when starting a dropshipping business. If you run low on money, it will take a little longer, but maybe it will be even better than if you have had $500. So the first thing that you have to do is decide the niche. It may be just for a few months or it may be forever. If you will see that you will be profitable in that niche, I'm sure that you will stick with that. The next thing, of course, you will have to find your products. And even more important, try to find your first product that you will want to advertise. Along that, find other 5 to 10 similar products to add to your store and make sure you prepare in advance your product descriptions and titles. This will help you very much to not waste time at the moment when you will start your Shopify trial. Now, to keep it easy, you will start to post every single day things, images, pictures related to your niche and to your products, and you will start getting some new followers, of course. Another thing that you can do is to create blog posts and share parts of them on your Facebook, Instagram and Pinterest accounts. The next thing related to Instagram is to find pages and accounts related to yours that have at least 50k to 500k followers and make sure you comment and like their posts and also contact them and asking in advance if they do shoutouts so you will know if their prices are right for you or if they are the perfect match for you and for your niche. Just be very careful because so many accounts have millions of followers and they don't have so much engagement. So make sure that you will pick some of their posts and see if they have lots of likes and comments, so this way you will know if it's worth working with them or not. And why I have told you to ask them in advance if they do promotions? Well, it's just because you won't want to waste any more time. When you start your store, you will have everything set up and ready to go. After having set up all these things and you have saved them somewhere that they are safe and they will be there when you will open your first dropshipping store, you will want to prepare some videos and some pictures for your product that you will use later with influencers or doing Facebook ads. Now you can start preparing your first dropshipping store. First of all, you will choose a free theme, for example the Beautify, as it's so trending, and if you want to download it you can find the link down below. Then you will add the products that you have chosen before to your dropshipping store and you can use Oberlo to do that. They also have a free plan available, so it will be just perfect for the beginning. The products imported to Oberlo with AliExpress won't have a good product description, but you have already done that before, so you are ready to copy and paste it to your store. Of course, you should already have prepared your AliExpress link, so it will be much easier to find the products and to make sure that the suppliers that you have chosen are good. I recommend you installing this free tool that is named AliTools Shopping Assistant to find out more details about the suppliers. And now, really quickly, let's see how it works. So you go to alitools.io and install the extension. I have already installed it on Opera, as you can see. So now I'm going to show you how it looks on AliExpress product page, and I have already opened some pages right here. For example, here I have a soap dispenser, and let's go and see what this tool can do. So if I click on the left corner here, I will see the seller rating, and if it's all green, then the seller is good. But you can also check for similar products right here and see pictures, reviews, and also price history. Now another example is with a seller that is okay but not perfect, because as you can see here, 10% of buyers are dissatisfied with products from the seller and delays might occur during shipping. So you don't want this. Okay, now let's see another example, and this is the last one, a quick one. For example, here you will have a seller that goes under 80%. You can see that 19% of buyers are dissatisfied with the products from this seller, and not all products from the seller match their descriptions, which is very bad for you. And also delays might occur during shipping. Anyway, now that we have seen how this tool works, let's move on. Remember when I have told you to write some blog posts related to your products and your niche? Well, now it's time to add them to your Shopify store. So you will want to go to Shopify and click on Sales Channel and then Online Store, and there you will see blog posts, where add a blog. It's very simple. Put on the title, the description that you have, the blog post that you have already written before. You can also add some images or some videos to it. And what I recommend you to have is two kinds of blog posts. The first one is with blog posts related to your products, where you will put links to your product page, and the second one, articles related to your niche. You may ask, why so important to have a blog on your Shopify store? Well, it's easy. After you have set it up, everything, your blog and your articles, just make sure that you share them on your Facebook page. And why not? You can find groups on Facebook that are related to your niche, and there you can share your articles. Another way to get some free traffic, and who knows, maybe even a sale, is to find on Google other related similar articles and comment there with the link of your post. Okay, now you can start advertising. Either you will use an influencer that you have contacted before, or even if it's not an influencer, just a page on Instagram, and they will charge you to $20 to $30. Either you will use Facebook ads. Just think about it. If you will get 1 or 2 sales, you will be able to cover the subscription for the Shopify Basic plan for the next month. After that, you will have time to prepare your email marketing strategy, because until now, you should have some people that subscribe to your email list, and you will see that the blog will be really helpful in this case. The other way that I have told you is to promote through Facebook. You can always start creating 6 different ad sets of $5 each one, but make sure that each of them will have a different interest. And of course, the event will be purchased. If you won't get any sale, you will have to pay for a Shopify plan that is $29 a month. And in the meantime, you will be posting daily to your Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest pages to grow your audience. This amazing platform that in time will bring you free sales. Now, after you have set up the store and you have opened your first dropshipping store, it's time to make posts on Pinterest and add a link to your products in each pin that you have. Well, in the meantime, if you still don't have any sale, you can keep working and save money for the next promotions, because this will be the first things that you'll have to pay. I personally wouldn't start like this, but with so little investment, you can have great expectations. You have to be conscious that it's very difficult to make money with so little money invested. But still, it can be a great start for you. And trust me, if you prepare everything in advance, you will see that it will be much more easier and less time consuming, because you will have everything set up before starting to create your store, so you won't have to waste time on finding products that you want to promote and write good descriptions and set up your videos and images and tags for your promotions. So plan a good marketing strategy and you will see that it will work. Thank you for watching this video today, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Now that was all. Let's get back to work. Bye bye.